Hey guys, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, we're going to be having a look at the Facebook Outcome Driven Ad Experience System, or ODAX for short. This is a platform that has been designed by Facebook in the Ads Manager to simplify the advertising experience. Now, just before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to smash that like button down below as well. And with that said, let's get started with today's video. Now, unless you're somebody who's spending all day and every day in the Facebook Ads Manager, you'll have noticed that over time, more and more objectives have been added to the campaign structure setup. There's brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, store traffic. It just goes on. I'm actually running out of breath just saying all of the things. So what the ODAX system is looking to do is basically simplify the overall advertising experience. And I'm just going to hop over into the Business Manager shortly to show you what the before and after looks like for the ODAX system. So here is a look at the current campaign setup structure. And here's a look at the new outcome-driven ad experience campaign setup. Now, obviously, one of the most important things here is what exactly does this new setup cover and what do the objectives replace? So let's have a look at what each one is. So there are the 6 simplified objectives now. With the awareness campaign, this really replaces all of the reach campaigns, the brand awareness and video views. So if we go over to the old campaign setup here, the video views, the brand awareness, reach is now covered under a single awareness objective. If we go down to the traffic, that is perfect for link clicks and landing page views, which is in the old campaign, but just not as obvious. Going to the engagement, this is for people that are looking to send messages to your page with video views and post engagement. Going to the old campaign there, we're going for the engagement and also messages, video views as well. Going down to leads, so this is for on Facebook leads. It's for messages, signups, and calls. So it really covers the messages on Facebook lead generation and also part of the conversions too. We then have app promotion, which is installs and events, which covers primarily the app install section here. And then finally, we've got the sales, which is conversions, catalog sales, and messages, covering the catalog sales here, the store traffic, and also the old messages. So it's a lot more simplified and streamlined. And let's have a look right now at each campaign objective step by step to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I just created a new campaign in Facebook with the awareness-based campaign objective in ODAX, which once again is good for people looking to reach more people, generate brand awareness, and get video views. And if you want to see which objective is being used, you just need to go to the ad set level and you need to scroll down until you find the optimization and delivery. You will then just click on the button which points downwards and you'll be able to see what objectives are available to you in the awareness campaign. So we have reach, impressions, ad recall lift, through play, 2-second continuous views. So a couple of objectives you can choose from right there. If we to scroll back up and go on to the next campaign objective, which is traffic, and we'll select continue. We're then going to go back into the ad set level, and this will give us the opportunity to select the conversion location. Is it a website? Is it on an app? Is it a WhatsApp? Is it a messenger? Or is it a call? And we just need to scroll down to the bottom once again and then select the optimization and delivery. Do we want link clicks, landing page views? Do we want to just reach as many people as possible? That decision is entirely up to you. If we scroll back up to the home page campaign, and let's say this time around you want to do engagement. Now, these are for people who are looking to do messages, video views, post engagement directly with your page. Engagement is the option to go with. And again, to have a look at how it's being set up and structured, we just go into the ad set level here. You can then select how people are going to engage with you, whether that's on your ad, with your Facebook page, through a messaging app, website. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you can look at the optimization for ad delivery to see how that is going to be delivered. So that is it for the engagement level campaigns. Going back up to the campaign level, let's go towards leads and select continue. And leads are once again for anyone that's looking to generate, well, leads. Now, the most important thing to remember for with the leads based campaign is very often there is only one option in which you can run your ads when it comes to the optimization for ad delivery. So, your settings for how you would like people to become a lead will be done through the conversion metric here at the top. So we have the website, instant forms, which is what people click on and a little pop up form appears, messenger lead, where someone messages your page through a call on the phone or via an app. So that brings us to the fifth new campaign objective, which is app promotion, which is what people are going to use for app installs and app events. And going back into the ad set level, it's going to give you options here for the type of app that you want to promote, where it is based, whether it's Google Play, the App Store, Amazon, or Oculus, or somewhere else. You just have to put the app name or URL into there, and you just need to scroll down to the bottom to select the optimization for ad deliveries. Are you after app events in particular, or would you prefer to have app installs or something else altogether, such as link clicks? And so here we are on the final campaign objective, which is now available, which is sales. And this is for people who are really wanting to go after people that are likely to convert. Conversions, catalog sales, getting messengers, people that are interested in buying your business's product or service. So if we select the sales objective here and go into the new awareness ad set here, we can then select the conversion event, which has been set up on the website. We can select the messenger, website or app, the WhatsApp, and we just need to scroll down to the for ad delivery. We can select conversions, landing page views, or other options altogether, such as unique reach. So that's it for today's video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough useful, please don't forget to consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to smash that like button down below. And I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.